Want to unlock the secret of managing multiple Temu accounts on just one device? Let's dive right in. First things first, accessing multiple Temu accounts simultaneously within the app isn't officially supported, but there are workarounds. Start by locating your profile icon, usually found at the bottom of your Temu app's home screen. Tap on your profile, then navigate to Settings or Account Information. Look for the Logout option and tap it to sign out of your current account. Now, for the multiple account magic, the easiest way is using a web browser. Access Temu through Chrome, Safari or any other browser. Log into each of your accounts on each different browser and access the app on another. Another option is to check if your phone has a built-in feature for cloning apps, often called dual apps or parallel apps. This creates a separate, independent version of the Temu app. This functionality depends on whether your phone has these features. If your phone doesn't have cloning built in, explore third-party app cloning apps available on your app store. But be cautious and research their security before installing these apps. Create a separate environment for Temu. Remember, when managing multiple accounts, especially with third-party apps, keep privacy in mind. Be sure to only use strong, unique passwords and carefully review the permissions requested by any app cloner you install. That's it. You now know how to potentially manage multiple Temu accounts on a single device. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks.